So the next step for us will be to cut our vegetables and add them to the mix later on. So let's start with the radish. The radish, we will basically cut it into a julienne. Okay, we're done now with the radish. We're gonna go and cut the carrots and the green onions. So green onion, you want to have to wash them a bit thoroughly beforehand, so it's a bit of work. Then remove the outer part and wash them again. Now that we have cleaned our sheaves, they are nice and clean, very green, we're going to cut them to sizable bites. So don't think or think it too much. Just cut it down. Okay, now we're gonna go to the next step, which is to assemble everything together. So let's do that now. So now that our mix have cooled down, we're gonna be able to transfer it directly into here. So now we're gonna add the fish sauce. Mix it. You can see the smell here developing very much. The fish sauce helps a lot in this dish, and it's what is gonna give it its actual deep flavor. So if you think it needs a bit of fish sauce, don't hesitate to add more to your taste. You're then gonna add the salted shrimps to the mix, throw them in there. Add the garlic. The smell is amazing. The ginger. And at this point, you have no choice but to try it out. Perfect. It's perfect. Woo! Wow. Okay, give me a minute. Oh my, first rule of kimchi, never touch your face. It's not worth it. It's better just to be itchy for 1 hour than just to touch your eyes. So now, we're gonna try to put the gloves on. I used to do it without gloves. It's perfectly doable. You will just have third-degree burn on your hands for the next 2 weeks. But now I really usually just use gloves. Next part is fairly simple. You just add everything up to the mix like this, all the flavor will combine, and this will make for the perfect kimchi paste. Grab these guys too. Up. Carefully mix it together. And it looks perfect.